Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. My first colors. There's a rainbow, says Minnie, right here in my book. Colors are everywhere. Let's take a look. What colors do you see in this rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. How many colors are in this rainbow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mickey looks for things that are red. A car, some berries, and a stop sign ahead. What colors do you see? How many are red? Goofy looks for orange things, a tiger's fur, and butterfly wings. What colors do you see? How many are orange? Pluto finds yellow, high and low, the sun, and ducklings who quack hello. What colors do you see? How many are yellow? Minnie looks for green on the ground, peas and cucumbers all around. What colors do you see? How many are green? Donald finds some things that are blue, blueberry juice and a bluebird too. What colors do you see? How many are blue? Daisy finds purple everywhere, lilacs and violets which scent the air. What colors do you see? How many are purple? Mickey's paints are red, yellow, and blue. To paint a rainbow, what should he do? Let's learn about color mixing. What two colors can you mix to make orange? Red, yellow makes orange. What two colors can you mix to make green? Yellow, blue make green. What two colors can you mix to make purple? Blue and red make purple. Minnie is stringing some rainbow beads. Can you help her find all the colors she needs? Let's play with patterns. Look at the colors in each pattern to figure out what color comes next. Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. That's right. Purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. That's right. Orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. That's right. Red, red, blue, red, red, blue, red, red, blue. That's right. Blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow. That's right. Purple, green, purple, purple, green, purple, 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 green. That's right. That was a tricky one. Great job. The day turns to rain and the pals all cheer as a beautiful rainbow begins to appear.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.